Hey, what's up everybody? Cletus T. Judd here to tell you about this here Bill Cole Advantage. It gives you more bang for your buck, more miles for your smiles, and more gleam for your green. First off, you get a lifetime warranty on new and used. Now, did you hear me what I said? Lifetime warranty, that means your car problems are handled till you go on to that possum hunt in the sky. Hello? The Bill Cole Advantage gives you what I like to call Cletus coverage. From crazy exes, burns and messes, and even your third cousin, sticky-fingered Steve. Plus, you get this app that makes dealing with your car as easy as falling off a log. Oh, and the best part is that it comes free on new and used vehicles you buy from Bill Cole. So come to any Bill Cole car lot or get them online anytime at BillColeAutomall.com and tell them Cletus sent you, just like you always do.